The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 250, effective until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Colorado: Baca, Bend, Cheyenne, Crowley, El Paso, Huepuano, Kiowa, Los Animas, Otero, Prowers and Pueblo, and the following counties in Kansas: Greeley, Hamilton, Morton, and Stanton, and Cimarron, Oklahoma. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest